Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. We're the group in Atro, and today we'll be interviewing students and professors around the campus about NSTP.
We will be asking the questions. What is your understanding of the NSTP program and its purpose for students and the community? The second question is, can you explain the legal basis of the NSTP program and why is it important?
Next, we will ask, how do they think participating in NSTP can promote good citizenship among students?
And for our last question, can you share an example of a good or bad citizenship you have observed or related to community service or responsibilities? So without further ado, let's go on to the first question.
Hi, I am Shikana Malik G. Huico and I am a communication student and I'm currently at second year. I'm from BA 202. So for me, the importance of NSTP talaga is first is yung immersion mo sa field or dun sa school kung saan kayo magbibigay ng community service. And yung pakikisalamuha mo din, matututo ka din na makisalamuha sa mga kasamahan mo at yun sa mga tao na makikilala niyo pa doon. And yung doon naman din kasi sa immersion, matututo kayo na mag-serve sa ibang tao na kahit ngayon niyo pa lang sila makikilala. And sa NSTP kasi, doon kayo gagawa ng mga review materials for the students, especially kasi magsaserve kayo sa public schools. So, ang ganda na from private students tayo and we're gonna help them with their studies and pati dun sa, meron din kasi mga nag-paint ng mga walls ng mga schools, yung mga stairs, ganyan. So, ang laking help nun sa mga public schools, sa mga students, sa mga teachers kasi parang less na sa gastos and sa manpower. So yun, matututo ka na tumulong sa iba and makisalamuha sa mga tao. Yun.
Hello everyone, we are stepping right now in the library with Ate. What's your name?
Hi, my name is Joanna Mary S. Dizon from the Department of School of Engineering and Architecture, and I am taking Civil Engineering major in Structural Engineering.
So if you don't mind us asking, can I ask you one question? Can you explain the legal basis of the NSTP program and why is it important?
So, the Republic Act number 9163 focuses more on the youth civic consciousness and kung paano nila ma-uphold yung pagiging Pilipino nila in such a way of serving the community. Some might consider it na parang extra lang for like Saturday classes. Nung time namin ganun yung iniisip namin na parang bakit di na lang ipahinga yung araw na yon. Pero in the long run, na-realize mo na parang it's a good thing na nag-start ka ngayon para maging open ka and ano yung pwede mong magawa in the future.
There you have it. Thank you, Ate.
My name is Charles Kuya. What's your name po? Okay. Ano pong grade, year level? Ano po yung tinake niyo sa NSTP? CWPS, LBS, or ROTC? Okay, sa
spray namin, tapos nakalaminate at dinitik namin. So talagang inaral namin yung lahat. Ngayon, doon sa question nyo,
how do you think participating in NSTP can promote good citizenship among students?
So, I hope lang sana yung NSTP is hindi lang naman siya sa Pilipinas, pero ay sa ibang bansa mandatory. Yes, dito sa atin, unfortunate na may mga kaklase tayo ng mga foreigners hindi sila eligible sa NSTP natin kasi sa atin. Filipino citizens. In terms of good citizenship, yun nga, it's really important kasi kunwari, yun nga, nakatulong kami sa tutukan yung napaganda yung school. May iba namin kasama, ginawa nila, naglinis sila, may mayroong naggawa ng artwork, wall artwork para sa wash area ng mga estudyante, may mga naglinis. At yun na yung bonding moment natin ng mga estudyante. So, man lang kahit yung isang araw per linggo na yon, hindi namin makakalimutan.
My name is Charles and ano pong pangalan niyo kuya? Jairus Castro. And ano po yung year level pati section?
Third year, accountancy.
Tsaka ano po yung tinake niyo na NSTP?
Mula first year ng LTS kami. LTS.
So yung question ko namin, can you share an example of a good or bad citizenship you have observed related to community service or responsibilities?
Kung sa good example, parang ginawa namin na nakikita ko sa araw-araw yung nagbibigay sa community service. Tapos yung sa bad naman, yung kabaliktaran ng mga naglilinis yung kahit saan-saan tatapon ng mga basura. Tapos common dito sa akin kasi alam po yung vandalism yung kahit saan yung sulat
Sa mga CR?
yun lang naman.
Thank you po.
Good morning.